Hi, it's Sylvia here with Vintage Kitchen Vixen, where I share tips for simple living, creating memorable gatherings, and preparing wholesome traditional meals with a vintage twist. And today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a barley bowl, which is my version of a Buddha bowl or a nourish bowl, whatever you want to call it. If you visit the link in the description, it will bring you to my article that's all about building your own bowl. So you don't have to prepare the one that I made today, even though it's pretty good. You can build your own and have fun with it. But if you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share with somebody who likes Buddha bowls. So let's hop into silent film mode. And today I'm going to show you how to make barley bowls, Buddha bowls, nourish bowls. If you visit the link in the description, vintagekitchenvixen.com, it'll bring you to my website where I have a little article that's all about building your own bowl, which is kind of the formula behind it.